So it is the middle of April, and these peppers are really starting to take off. Got close to 600 in here. Have another couple hundred inside, or maybe about 100 inside, and then a few hundred outside as well. About 1,000 plants total we got this year. About 800 or so are going to the nursery. Be selling at the St. John's Farmers Market in May this year, so come check us out. Everything is looking pretty stoked. Just turned off all the fans to get some footage. These guys are really starting to take off now that we've had some nicer sunny days. I've got a bunch of lighting in here, but it's all very minimal, not very strong, just enough to keep these plants awake and get a little bit of extra light when it's cloudy out. This one is the most helpful. It's a 600 watt. Not the best light, but the plants under it certainly get pretty stoked. It definitely it definitely helps back in these corners too where I don't get as much light because I got the house right here. So, looking forward to it. Gonna be a good season.